Harry, Brennan, Harry, I'll come to you first. This night, this game, this result, it feels like a significant night for this Wales team under Craig Bellamy.
Yeah, another great night. She didn't start too well with conceding, but yeah, we knew if we stuck to the game plan, kept playing the football that we've been showing we can play over the last few games, we knew we'd get back in the game, and I think to do that so quickly after conceding helped. And then from there, I felt like we dominated the game. They still had chances, but yeah, like I said, with the quality we got at the top end of the pitch, we were confident that we'd get back in the game.
Yeah, Brennan, as Harry said, not the best start, a shaky start. What do you think this tells us about the character of the team to come back and win the way that you did in the end?
Yeah, I think it just shows the togetherness from the lads that I think we showed for a couple of years now. But yeah, with the game plan and the style of football, I really felt like none of the lads dropped their heads when we went 1-0 down, because we played football. We didn't really get started, which is disappointing, but once we got on our flow and could see the chances coming, I felt like everyone was really confident, and yeah, all the goals were taken really well.
A goal each. A goal each. Just how good is this man stood next to you, Brennan?
Yeah, unbelievable, honestly. I think in them situations, I think either crossing or shooting himself, when he picked up the ball, I was really confident that he'd at least hit the target, and it was a special goal.
Harry, likewise for Brennan, we could see you all celebrating with him after his goal. He's quite something, isn't he?
Yeah, he is. I think as soon as Cole's got his head up and we could see Brennan started to run, as soon as he got goal side of his man, I don't think there was any doubt in our minds that he was going to put it away. He's shown that he can do it for Spurs, and he does it in a Welsh shirt as well. So like I said, to have quality like him on the top end of the pitch is great for us all.
Brennan, for you personally, what's it been like working under Craig and playing for him?
Yeah, it's been really good. I think he's a really intense coach, but the points that he makes and the style of football and philosophy is something that all the lads are well on board with. And I think, just at the minute, personally, I'm absolutely loving playing for Wales, and I think you can see that in nights like tonight. We're all really excited, and so hopefully there's so much more to come, because I'm buzzing with tonight, but to have a group of lads and staff that are so good, it means the world to me.
Finally, promoted to League A, Harry.
Yeah, we didn't know. We saw at half time that Turkey were losing, but then I think the fans told us that halfway through the second half when he started singing we're top of the league. So it's great for us. It was what we wanted. We knew going into tonight, we needed a favour from Montenegro, but we got the job done that we needed to do, and they've helped us out over there. So we're buzzing, and League A is the league we want to be in to play against the best teams.
Guys, appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.